Another day, another all-time high coming in for Palantir. We're trading up around 3% on the day at that $200 range in here for Palantir. On the week so far, we had a high in here of 204.18. That's kind of what we're eyeing as we're heading into earnings. You have basically one more trading session before we report earnings in here, November 3rd. Aftermarket IV is ridiculously high in here. IV rank is sitting at 36, raw IV of 95%, $20 expect to move priced in by this Friday. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens in here. And you can see overall for the year, just kind of straight up, right? So not really a stair step, more like an elevator, just kind of shooting straight up in here. More all-time highs coming in on this week as we had in the past months or so. So 204 is going to be our major resistance that we need to breach and hold. Anything above that, nice whole numbers, 205, 210, working our way up until the chart tells us otherwise. On the downside, we're looking at 200 psych level. Then we got this 192 right here, and then the 186. And then we have to figure out where this 9-day EMA is going to meet. And is it going to meet up with this 186, or is it going to meet up down here right around that 182, 183 level where this lower trend line is for our major support? That is going to be kind of the question. But we do have that one trading session coming in. So we're going to see what happens, what is going to get priced in before the big earnings call coming up on Monday. And everybody is basically looking at Palantir as one of the big boys this week for an earnings catalyst. So that's kind of what we're eyeing in here overall for our Palantir as we're looking at earnings. $20 expected move by this Friday, 23 the following, 27 on your November monthly. So let's see what happens overall in Palantir on this weekly chart. 204 is our highs. That's what we're looking at. That is going to be our goal in here to kind of see if we're going to stay in between that 204 and 192 range before earnings, or we're going to get a slight little breakout above as we're working our way into that earnings call. That is going to be the major question in here in Palantir. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.